Okay, students, can you understood? I think the autoimmune disease. The next one, tumor immunology. Tumor. A tumor, it is a neoplasm, is a group of cells whose growth has gone unchecked. When the growth of the cells within unchecked, it is grow very faster. That is known as the tumor. When a tumor continues to grow and invades healthy tissues, it is called cancer. When the tumor tissues they can grow, they can invade inside the healthy cells, it is causing the cancer. They spread to other parts of the body from tumor and it gives rise to secondary tumor. So the tumor, when it is spreading into the neighboring parts of the tissues of our body, it leads to the secondary tumor. This is known as metastasis. Metastasis. So tumor may be beginning or malignant depending on its characteristics. It is present in the two types, beginning and malignant. So beginning or non-cancerous tissues are capable of indefinite growth and do not invade other body parts. So beginning also, it is a non-cancerous, that is the growth of the tissues, it is indefinite. We cannot control. Okay, we cannot control the growth of that particular tissue, but they cannot spread from other parts of the body. That is known as the beginning. Okay, in the malignant tumor, the cells grow indefinitely, detach and migrate into the healthy surrounding tissues. This malignant, it is a dangerous one. They can grow indefinitely, but it is migrate from other parts of the body also. They can be able to infect the other parts of our body. In normal cells, the cell growth and differentiation is highly controlled and regulated. So normal cell division process, that cell division, it is controlled, it is regulated. But in a cancer cells, there is a breakdown of this regulatory mechanism. But what is the difference between normal cell and cancer cell? So normal cell, the cell they can divide, it is regulated by a mechanism. But in the cancer cell, the cell they can divide, it is not involving in a regulatory mechanisms. So normal cells show a property called contact inhibition. So inhibition process also is present in the normal cell. That inhibition, like uncontrolled growth. Okay, so which inhibits the uncontrolled growth. This normal cell they can have an inhibition, so that inhibition they can control the growth. Uncontrolled growth ஆயிட்டு போகுதுன்றதை அது தடுத்துரும். Okay, but cancer cells do not have this property. As a result, cancer cells divide continuously, giving rise to mass of tissues called tumors. So cancer cells, that regulatory mechanism is absent, so continually the cell they can grow. We cannot control that growth, uncontrolled growth. It is causing the tumor. So when a cell undergo malignant transformation, it acquires new surface antigen and may also lose some normal antigen. So when this is change in this tumors change into the malignant transformation, so that time it acquires a new surface antigen. அந்த செல் சர்ஃபேஸில் இந்த சர்ஃபேஸ் ஆன்டிஜன்றது இருக்கும். ஓகே, இந்த மேலிக்னன்ட் செல் என்ன செய்யுது, எந்த ஆர்கன் மேலே இருக்குதோ அந்த ஆர்கனுடைய செல் சர்ஃபேஸில் ஃபுல்லாக இருந்து டிவைட் ஆகி எல்லாம் செஞ்சு முடிச்சுட்டு அது என்ன செய்யும், மறுபடியும் அந்த ஆர்கன்லேருந்து அதுக்கு இன்னொரு நியூ செல் சர்ஃபேஸ் தேவைப்படும். அப்போ என்ன செய்யுது, அந்த ஆர்கன்லேருந்து அப்படியே பக்கத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய டிஷ்யூஸ் ஆர்கன்ஸுக்கெல்லாம் அது ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிது. Okay, it acquires the new surface antigen and may also lose some of the normal antigen. So these antigens are present on the membrane of the malignant cells and they induce an immune response. Both humoral and cellular responses can be observed in malignancy. So cancer cells can avoid immune detection as they are not foreign bodies but are abnormally functioning body cells. This makes them difficult to treat. So this cancer cells is not a foreign cells, it is in our own cells. Okay, then they can stimulate the immune responses also. It is making in a forward malignancy of the cell mediator and then in a humoral immune responses. It is not in a foreign body, it is in our own cells. Okay, but it is converted into the forward tumor cells, malignant tumor cells. So these cancer cells, we cannot control the abnormal function, we cannot treat. It is very difficult to treat the cancer cells. So the concept of immunological surveillance postulates that the primary functions of the immune system is to seek and destroy malignant cells that arises by somatic mutation. So this immunological surveillance, they are saying primary functions of our immune system to seek and destroy the malignant cells by the somatic mutation. நம்மளுடைய பாடியில் சொமேட்டிக் செல்ஸில் ஏற்படக்கூடிய மியூட்டேஷன் மூலமாக நம்மளுடைய இம்யூன் சிஸ்டம் என்ன செய்யும், இந்த இதை வந்து க்யூர் பண்ணுறதுக்கான தன்மை இருக்குது. பட் த எஃபிஷியன்சி ஆஃப் த சர்விலன்ஸ் மெக்கானிசம் ரெடியூசஸ் எய்தர் அஸ் எ ரிசல்ட் ஆஃப் ஏஜிங் ஆர் டியூ டு த கான்ஜெனிட்டல் ஆர் அக்யூர்ட் இம்யூனோடெஃபிஷியன்சி. ஸோ நார்மலாக நம்மளுடைய பாடியில் நம்மளுடைய இம்யூன் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸுக்கு அந்த தன்மை இருக்குது. ஆனால் எப்போ இந்த சர்விலன்ஸ் மெக்கானிசம் கம்மியாகுதோ, இது மேபி என்ன இருக்கலாம், ஏஜாக இருக்கலாம். சின்ன வயசு பிள்ளைகளுக்கு அது ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்கும். ஏஜ் ஆக 40-50 ஆக டியூ டு த ஏஜிங் ஆர் டியூ டு த கான்ஜெனிட்டல், நிறையா நாளாக அது வந்து அப்படியே இருந்துக்கிட்டே இருந்தாலும் ஓகே, ஆர் அக்யூர்ட் இம்யூனோடெஃபிஷியன்சி, அவங்களோட லைஃப் டைமில் இம்யூனோடெஃபிஷியன்சி மூலமாக இந்த இது ஏற்பட்டிருந்தாலும் இட் இஸ் இன்க்யூரபிள். இட் இஸ் லீட்ஸ் டு இன்க்ரீஸ்டு இன்சிடென்ஸ் ஆஃப் கேன்சர். அது என்னவாக மாறுது, கேன்சராக மாறிடுது. ஸோ தஸ் இஃப் immunological surveillance is effective, cancer should not occur. When in our body they can have in a surveillance of the immunological is very effective, cancer cells will not occur. So the development of tumor represent a lapse in surveillance. So this tumor development it is occur in the surveillance, that immunological surveillance it's a lapse, absent ஆகிறதுனால தான் இந்த டியூமர்லேருந்து கேன்சரே வந்து ஏற்படுது. Okay students, then immunotherapy of cancer, how we can treatment for this cancer. Immunotherapy is also a biological therapy, uses substances made by the body or in a laboratory to improve or to resist the immune system function. இம்யூனோதெரப்பி நம்மளுடைய இம்யூன் சிஸ்டத்தை ஃபங்க்ஷன் பண்ண வைக்கக்கூடியது. ஓகே, ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த பயாலஜிக்கல் தெரப்பி, யூசஸ் சப்ஸ்டன்சஸ் மேட் பை த பாடி. இன் அவர் பாடி இட் இஸ் மேடிங் த சப்ஸ்டன்சஸ் ஆர் இன் அ லெபார்டரி to improve in our immune system functions. So different approaches have been attempted in the immunotherapy of cancer. Number of the approaches, they can have different approaches it is present, but immunotherapy appears to be important in getting rid of the residual malignant cells after the gross tumor has been removed. So அந்த tumor cells நம்ம remove பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா this immunotherapy method it is helpful, it is important to getting rid of the residual malignant cells. அந்த திருப்பி உருவாக்கக்கூடிய அந்த malignant cells வந்து இது தடுக்கும். Okay, the best result in the treatment of cancer is to follow an integrated approaches to therapy combining surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy and immunotherapy. So the best treatment of the cancer, number of therapies are present, number of approaches are there. So that is in a surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy and then in a immunotherapy. Okay, with this therapy we can it is possible to cure the cancer. Okay, then scope of immunology. So immunology, it is one of the branches of biology. The younger graduates in this field can find number of employment opportunities in government as well as private hospitals. The scope of immunology is an immunotherapy, microbial immunology, clinical immunology, cellular immunology, allergy and immunology, translational immunology, transplantation immunology, neuroinflammatory disorder, tumor immunology, vaccine immunology, inflammatory disorder, ocular immunology and inflammation. So immunology, it is present in a number of scope. This scope we can get to the employment also. So we can select and study this immunology. Okay students, the next difference between cancer cells and normal cells. So normal cells, what is the characteristic features of normal cells and in the cancer cells? Small, uniformly safe nuclei, relatively large cytoplasmic volume. Okay, large variable shaped nuclei, relatively small cytoplasmic volume. Then confirmatory in cell size and shape, cell arranged in the discrete tissues. Tissues correcta confirmatory cell size and shape is present. But here variation in cell size and shapes, disorganized arrangements of the cells ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்காது. They may possess differentiated cell structures, normal presentation of cell surface markers. Okay, differential cell structures, normal presentation of cell surface is present. But here, loss of normal specialized features, elevated expressions of certain cell markers. Then lower level of dividing cells, cell tissues clearly demarcated. Democrated, large number of dividing cells, poorly defined tumor boundaries are present. This is the difference between normal cells and then in a cancer cells. Okay, up to this we have discussed in a immunity, immunodeficiency, autoimmune disorder, then immunology, tumor and immunology, immunotherapy, then difference between normal cell and then in a cancer cell, what is the scope of immunology, everything we have discussed. That immunity, that part fully we have discussed. Okay students.